Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, we're going to be looking at the three disadvantages of nonparametric statistics. And the first disadvantage is that nonparametric statistics are less sensitive compared to parametric statistics, especially when the assumptions of the parametric methods are met. So we say that these non-parametric statistics are less sensitive. And you can see that larger differences are needed before the null hypothesis can be rejected. And for the parametric statistics, you'll find that small differences can be uh, denoted for you to be able to reject the null hypothesis. The other disadvantage of the non-parametric statistics is that they are less informative compared to the parametric tests. They provide less information, and by this we mean that an example that the sign test requires the researcher to determine only whether the data values are above or below the mean, not by how much they are above or below the mean. So that gives us much less information compared to parametric tests, which can tell us to the extent the value is above the mean or below the mean. And that non-parametric tests are less efficient when the assumptions of the parametric methods are met. So we have less efficiency. And we can give an example that larger sample sizes are needed to overcome the loss of information when we're using non-parametric tests. For example, in a non-parametric sign test, we will need a sample size of 100, while when we're performing a parametric test, we're going to need a sample of 60. So that means that we'll have an additional 40 samples to get the same amount of efficiency.